Assalamualaikum grade 9. Hopefully you all will be good. Today date is 21st September 2020. It's my 51st lecture and day is Monday. Today I am going to revise unit number 6, the Kite Vision and Pakistan. You have read this chapter. I want you to read the chapter again and try to find out the answers. I have given you MCQs and you have to learn the book exercise. See comprehension, learn the question answers. Then vocabulary is given. MCQs are also made from the book, and here see consult a thesaurus is words meaning are given, words opposite are given, idioms are given, connotation and denotation is also given. Connotation means you have some hidden meaning of a word, and denotation means you have dictionary meanings or surface meaning of a word. See, there are words are given, and denotative, positive and negative connotation are also asking for each word. So you have to revise this activity also. On this page you have adverbs, infinitives, gerunds and conditional type 3 sentences. So you have 4 topics. You have to learn about adverbs. You know what are adverbs and what are kind of adverbs, such as adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency. So we have discussed it. Then infinitives, you know what is infinitives, 2 plus first form of verb, and sometimes we don't write 2. Here gerund are first form of verb plus ing, and it is performing as a noun in a sentence. Then conditional type 3 sentences, it is unfulfilled condition. See, examples are given, and on the other page you have many activities are given related to this. Find the kind of adverbs in the lesson. You have done this activity. Then complete these phrases by adding gerund. Gerund phrases are given. Complete the following conditional sentences are also given there. So I want you to revise all the book exercise and then try to solve the MCQs I have made from this chapter. See the first one. Do not be overwhelmed by the enormity of the task, he said in the speech at Dash, Karachi, Lahore, Hyderabad. So you have to find the answer from the text. We are a nation, he affirmed 3 years before none of these, the birth of Pakistan. Dash was a man of strong faith and belief. Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Qaid-e-Azam. In his Eid message, September, Dash Qaid-e-Azam said. So September, the date of September is 1940, 1942, 1945. Qaid-e-Azam said, Islam is a complete code regulating the whole Muslim society. Choose the correct spelling. So nomenclature, I have given the word, you have to select the correct spelling of the word. Then opposite of confidence is shyness, distract, both A and B. So try to find the answer. 7th, we shall get up early in the morning. The underlined word early is adverb of frequency, time, degree. Sad at losing. The underlined word is an present participle, gerund, infinitive. We made people work. The underlined word is an infinitive, gerund, participle. If I had seen him, I would have met him. So this sentence is conditional type 1, 2 or 3. It is easy for you. You have to just see the book exercise to find out the answers of these MCQs. It is your work. I want you to revise unit number 6. Also revise question answers given in your text and also in your book exercise. I hope you will do it and send me the images of the work I am already giving you so that I can guide you. Allah Hafiz.